वेलकम टू जेनिथ कोचिंग क्लास। जेनिथ कोचिंग क्लास में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? यू आर फाइन। आई एम ऑल्सो फाइन। नाउ इट्स अ टाइम ऑफ Diwali festival. It's a festival of light, and we light diyas, candles, and now LED bulbs. Beautiful coloring LED bulbs. No, so most of the houses are so well decorated with the bulbs, but we could not enjoy that is firecrackers. We must not do, because in this COVID situation, not only COVID situation, we must not burn crackers, because this is very harmful for our environment. We pollute air, and this is a noise pollution. It's a very harmful aspect for the patients, old men and the children also. So we must not burn crackers. No. So please come to the class, and this is a class for factorization. It's a chapter of class 9. Not only for class 9, class 9, 10, 8 also. So today is a class factorization. Okay, so what I have to say at first, please like my video, share to your friends, and subscribe my channel, and please comment me through your comment box. So मैं आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छी तरह से सिखा सकती हूँ. Okay, again and again I'm telling you that is, if you don't ask me any question, so how is possible to teach you to solve your problems? So please comment me through your comment box. Okay, let's start the class. This is the chapter factorization. So that is 2 pi r square minus 4 pi r. Okay, so we have to see that is what is common in them. So I'm not writing the question, but you have to copy the question. Okay, otherwise marks will be deducted. Okay children, so in 2 pi r square and minus 4 pi r, so here is 2 and here is 4, so 2 is common. Okay, then here is pi and there is also pi, so pi is common, and here is r square, that is r multiplied by r, and here is only 1 r, so 1 r is common, so 2 pi r is common. So what is there? That is r only, so put it here r, and where is minus 2. Okay, nothing common in it, so what is common? Please write at first. Okay, so this is called factorization, that is, it's a factor and there is it's another factor. Okay, that's called factorization. Now question number 2. I'm telling you that is, I'm not writing the question. You have to copy the question, then you will start the sum. Otherwise marks will be deducted, not for me, for you. Okay, so 14 mn plus 32 m minus 48. So what is common? 14, that is 2 is common, 32 is 2 is common, 48 is 2 is common. So I'll write first 2. Then m, here is m, but here is no m, so m is not common. And n is here only, that is first digit, that is, here is no m, so only 2 is common here. So 2, here is 7mn plus 16 2s are 32, so here is 16m is common, minus 48, 24 2s are 48, so minus 24p. Okay, this is a factor, this is another factor. That's called factorization. Next, come to question number 3, that is 15a in brackets 2p minus 3q. So here is no bracket, here is bracket. So why? Because there are two terms, that is 2p and minus 3q. Here is also 2p minus 3q. So what is common there? Here is 15 and here is 10. So first you have to take 5, because 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Okay, so 5 is common. A is common? No, A is not common, because here is A and here is B. So A is not common, only 5 is common. Okay, so what you have to write? That is, we will put second bracket. Why second bracket I have put? Because here is at first digit, that is 5 is common, so 3a. Okay, 3a multiplied by 2p minus 3q. So 2p minus, okay, I'm telling it in a lengthy process. No, that is 5, here is 2p minus 3q common, 2p minus 3q common. So I'll take 2p minus 3q. Okay. So what is common there? That is put in the first bracket. So 15a. You have taken 5. So here is 15 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Okay. And here is 10b. So 5 is common. So minus 2b. Okay. Then question number 4. Please come to question number 4. Okay. Now here is x in bracket x square plus y square minus z square. Plus y is common. Minus x square minus y square plus z square. So minus z. That is x square plus y square minus z square. So here is x square plus y square minus z square. Here is x square plus y square minus z square. But in the second term, there is minus x square minus y square plus z square. So ma'am, what is common there? Because x is not common. So एक एकदम अलग अलग है. ये x है, ये y है, ये z है. But and x square plus y square minus z square. Here is also x square plus y square minus z square. But in the second term, there is minus x square minus y square plus z square. That's not common. So what is common here? We have to make it common. Okay. So children, I'll write that is x. So here is x square plus y square minus z square. Minus. Here is plus. I am writing minus. Let's think. That is minus y. So if I write it minus y, then you will interchange the sign. Okay. So if I write it minus here instead of plus, so here is x square. Because minus x square minus x square, that is plus. Okay. So here is x square. Now minus y square, you will write here plus y square. So plus z square, you will write here minus z square. Why? I have taken minus in common. Okay. So here is plus. Plus minus, that is minus. So here is minus plus, that is minus. Minus x square, here is also minus plus, that is minus x square. Okay. So now the term is common now. That is minus z. Minus z x square plus y square minus z square. Now x square plus y square minus z square is common. Okay. So you will write first x square plus y square minus z square in one bracket. So in another bracket, where is uncommon? That is x minus y minus z. So x minus y minus z. Understood the sum, children? It was little bit of time. Otherwise, these are very easy sums. Okay. Please observe the sum. I'll come to the next sum. Okay. So children, now we are in fifth sum. That is different sum it is. That is y square minus yz minus 5y plus 5z. I didn't do first four sum. That is 4 terms there. No, there were 2 terms or 3 terms. But now it's to start with 4 terms. So we have to take the common factors. No, that is fifth sum. I am writing here. I am not copying the sum. You have to copy. Okay. So y square minus yz minus 5y plus 5z. So what is common here? There are 2 sets common. You will see the 2 sets common. That is, take first set, take second set. So in y square minus yz, what is common? So y is common. So in bracket I will write that is y minus z. So y minus z. Here must be that is y minus z. Okay. So how is it possible? So you take minus 5. If I take minus 5, no. Then it is minus 5. So minus 5y, here is minus 5y. Minus minus plus. So here is plus 5z, here there is also plus 5z. Symbol, that is sign, must be the same. Okay. And here is 2 sets of y minus z. So what is common here? Here is also y minus z and here is also y minus z. So y minus z is common. And you will write here. So here is come y, here is come minus 5. Okay. First you will write the common factor and then that is what is remaining is here. You will put it another bracket. This is called factorization. So in the term of that is sum of y square minus yz minus 5y plus 5z, there are 2 factors, y minus z and y minus 5. Okay. This is the fifth sum. Now we'll go to the sixth sum. That is 5p square minus 8p cube minus 10p plus 16p. Okay, let's think fast too. You will take this one and that one. You will take this one and that one also. But I am taking first two terms. Okay, so this in 5p square minus 8p cube. So what is common here? Only p is common here. So take p. It is question number 6. Take p common. So here is 5p minus 8 cube. Okay. Now take it. Here is 10 and here is 16. So 2 is common. Here is p, here is q. Nothing common. Only 2 is common. So minus 2. So if I take 2 from 10p. So 2 5s are 10. So 5. So 5p minus 8q. You will ask me, ma'am, why 8 is minus? Here is plus and here is minus. We have taken minus here. So minus and minus, that is plus. Sign must be same, otherwise marks will be deducted. Question will be wrong. Okay, so here is minus 10p. So plus minus, here is nothing is there. So plus minus minus. So minus 2 5s are 10, 10p. And here is plus. So minus minus, that is plus. So plus 2 8 is 16, 16q. Okay. Now what is common in two terms? 5p minus 8q and 5p minus 8q. That is 5p minus 8q is common. So here is 5p minus 8q. You have to write the first bracket first. Okay. Then what is remaining here? P. So you will write p. What is remaining here? Minus 2. So you will write it minus 2. So two factors are 5p minus 8q multiplied by p minus 2. Okay. Understood the sum? We'll go to the seventh sum. Please like my video and share to your friends, and please comment me through your comment box. Let me know what is the problem, and then please subscribe my channel. Okay. Now seventh sum. I'll keep the arrow here. So 3ax minus 6ay minus 8by plus 4bx. That is question number 7. So you'll write the answer. In 3ax minus 6ay. So what is common? Here is 3, here is 6. So 3 is common. Here is a, here is a. So a is common. That is 3a is common. So what is there extra? That is x. So you will put in the bracket x. Okay. Minus 2y. 6, 3 2s are 6. So here is minus 2y. Understood? And here is minus. So minus, you will take 8by plus 4bx. So you will take 4. And here is b, here is b. So b. Okay. So what is there? 2y minus x. Okay. So ma'am, here is x minus 2y. And there is 2y minus x. So it's not the same? It's not the same. Then I will take the fourth term at before and third term next. So I am writing here, I am teaching here that it is not same. So we have to take it same, because in the bracket the factors are equal, must be equal. So what I have to write first? Then I will first write, that is I just showed you. Okay. If I wrote it, that is at first that is two factors, and here is I took that is this one, and then it is fourth sum. You maybe that is not that is not satisfactory for you. So I showed you that it is not right. Okay. So not correct. Then I will teach you. Then that is correct process. Okay. That's why I wrote this line. Okay. So what you have to write? 3ax minus 6ay plus 4bx minus 8by. Understood, children? Okay. Now 3x. So 3a, that is x minus 2y. Now plus 4b, that is x minus 2y. And now it's the same. X minus 2y here and x minus 2y there. Okay. So keep it in mind. That is, you have to do the interchange. That is digit. Okay. Otherwise, marks will be deducted. Sum will be wrong. Okay. Then next step is x minus 2y is common here. So x minus 2y in bracket. So here is 3a. Put it 3a plus 4b. So put it 4b. Understood the sum? Okay. Now we come to the eighth sum. You can interchange the places. Interchange the place of digits. Okay. So now we will come to question number 8. Okay, in question number 8, so in question number 8, what is that? X square plus xy in bracket x plus y cube. So ma'am, already there is a bracket. So what should I do? Okay. First, x square, you will write x square plus xy multiplied by 1. So plus xy. Plus that is plus xy multiplied by y, that is xy square. Okay. Now y cube. So now it is separate 4 terms here. Now you can take it common. In x square plus xy, x is common. So x plus y and plus xy square plus y cube, that is y square is common. So x plus y. So here is x plus y and there is x plus y. So x plus y, put it first. Then in the another bracket, that is you have to write x and plus y square. Whatever uncommon. Okay. Understood the sum? Just give away the bracket. Okay. Now question number 9. AB in bracket x square plus y square minus xy in bracket a square plus b square. There is x square plus y square, there is a square plus b square. Different. So again you have to multiply with AB and multiply a square plus b square by xy. Okay, so AB x square is equals to AB x square plus AB y square minus xy square minus xy b square. Okay. So now what is common here? So what is common here, that is you will take this one and this one. Why? Because that just bracket, that is x square plus y square. Again I take AB is common. So you will go to the question, that is x square plus y square. So I will take first and third, this one and this one. Okay, and then we will take second and fourth. Okay, I am writing here. If you don't understand, please comment with your comment box. Otherwise, how is it possible for me to know what is the problem? Okay, children. So now you will take the first and third term. That is AB x square minus xy square minus xy square plus AB y square minus xy b square. So you can ask me, you may ask me, that is, ma'am, why will not take first one and fourth one? That is, you need a lot of practice. Yeah. जैसे तुम प्रैक्टिस करते रहोगे आप लोग, तो आप लोग को पता चलेगा कि कौन सा टर्म लेना चाहिए. ओके. पहले तो गलत करोगे ही, तो लेकिन बाद में धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस करते करते ये आप लोग समझ जाओ. ओके. So now what is common here? Here is x and here is x. Here is a and here is a. So I'll take ax common. So now here is bx minus ay. Okay. Plus here is b, here is b. Here is y, here is y. So I will take by as common. Okay, so by common. Now here is ay, here is ay in the second no. So again you have to think about the previous sum. So by, so here is ay minus here is bx. Okay, so ma'am, is that again the another problem, that is bx minus ay, and here is ay minus bx. So I'll take xy b square at the beginning and aby square at the latter. Okay, so former one is minus xy b square, minus xy b square. Okay, minus xy b square, xy b square. Then I'll take plus aby square, plus aby square. Okay, now it is the same, minus. So you will take here by. So here is bx minus ay. Why is it minus? Because it is a plus. So minus minus, that is plus. Okay. Now bx minus ay and bx minus ay. Understood? So common is here bx minus ay. So you will write here ax minus by. Understood the sum? Okay. Now I'll come to the next sum, that is 10th sum. I think not the boarding class. Please concentrate. This is a very scoring chapter, no? Just think about the sign. If you write plus instead of minus, or if you write minus instead of plus, then your sum will be wrong. Okay? So, ma'am, here are 6 digits. That is a square b plus ab square minus abc minus b square c plus xy, axy plus bxy. Okay? So, what to do? Okay, let's think. AB is common in first two. AB is common. So AB is common, that is A plus B, because here is A square. So we take A here, and here is B square, we will take B here. So AB is common, here is A plus B. The same thing, it will be must be A plus B. So minus B C C minus BC. Okay, minus BC. So what is there? Minus BC, that is A plus B. Okay, now plus xy. So A plus B. So A plus B is common here. Here is A plus B. Here is A plus B. And here is A plus B. So A plus B is common here. So what is there? AB here. So write AB minus BC here. So minus write BC plus xy. So plus xy. Okay. So there are two factors, that is A plus B and AB minus BC plus xy. Understood the sum? Okay. Please observe the sum. I will put the next sum, that is 11th sum. So children, come to the 11th sum. That is x minus 1 minus x minus 1 whole square plus ax minus a. So what is common here? I'll show you what is common here. That is, you will take 1 common. Why 1 is common? So in this is 1 common. So here is, you will write x minus 1. So nothing is there means here is 1. No. So that's I take 1 is common. Okay. So here is 1 common. So x minus 1 minus x minus 1 whole square plus a is common here. Here is ax minus a. So a is common here. So x minus 1. Okay. So here is x minus 1. Here is x minus 1. And here is x minus 1 whole square. X minus 1 is whole square means that is 2 terms. Now that is 3 square means 3 multiplied by 3. So x minus 1 whole square means x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. That I will write here. Okay. So here is x minus 1 is common. So what will be there? Why I have put that is second bracket? Because of it. I'll show you. So here is 1 is there. So 1 minus. x minus 1 is common. So here is another x minus 1. I'll put it in the bracket first. That's why I put second bracket here. Okay. So good, second bracket. No. Okay. So plus there is x minus 1 is common. So here is a. Understood? So x minus 1 is common. And now in the here is 1 minus x minus minus, that is plus 1. Don't put it here. Plus 1 plus a. Okay. So here is 1. Here is minus x. Minus minus plus. Here is plus 1 plus a. So here is x minus 1. And there is in bracket 1 plus 1 2. That is 2 minus x plus a. Understood sum? देखने से तो इतना लंबा लग रहा था, लेकिन sum is very easy and it's a very scoring chapter. So don't worry, you will get good marks if you think about the sum. Okay. Now question number 12. 32x squared minus 18y squared is the different sum. Different sum means that is 32x squared and 18y squared. So 2 is common here. So here is it is 12. So 2 is common here. So what you will write in the bracket? 16. 16 2s are 32. So 16x squared minus 9y squared. बस समझ खत्म है? नहीं, आपको क्या लिखना है? आपको वही आइडेंटिटीज देना है जो आइडेंटिटीज है a square minus b square equals to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Understood? So you will write here 2. Now put it second bracket. 16x square means that is 4x whole square. Minus 9y square means minus 3y whole square. Okay. So a square minus b square. So a square minus b square equals to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So what we will write here? 2. So in bracket a square minus b square, that is a plus b. So 4x plus 3y multiplied by 4x minus 3y. That is these are the sums with the identities a square minus b square equals to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Okay. Now sum number 13. 13 number sum is x minus 2 x plus multiplied by x plus 2 plus 3. The sum is here. Number 13. I am not copying the sum and you must copy the sum, then you will start the sum. Okay. Okay. That is x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 2. So a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So what is that? That is a square minus b square. So x square minus 2 square. Okay. So x square minus 2 square. So x square minus 2 square. X square minus 2 square plus 3 is equal to, so x square minus 2 square means 2 square is 4. So x square minus 4 plus 3, that is x square minus 1. The sum is complete. No, that is in 1 you can consider it is 1 square. So now again a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. X plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. Okay. So what you have to write? That is x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 2. That is a plus a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So you have to write a square minus b square. Plus 3 you will write here. So b square means 2 square, that is 4. So x square minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is 1. So x square minus 1 means x square minus 1 square. So x square minus 1 square is that a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. X plus 1 into x minus 1. Understood the sum? Then is the 14th sum. We come to the 14th sum. 16th sum करने से आप लोग को छुटकारा दे दूंगी मैं. इतना भी मैं खराब नहीं हूँ कि आप लोग को इतना सम कराए. So I'll teach you again in that next part. Otherwise the class will be boring. No. कौन इतना पढ़ना चाहता है? कोई नहीं. मैं भी पढ़ना नहीं चाहती थी छोटे उम्र में. Okay. So 16 number first sum is the last sum. Don't worry, children. So please like my video and share to your friends and subscribe my channel and comment me through your comment box. गाना तो गा रही हूँ मैंने, आप लोग करिएगा please. Okay. So now it's the 14th sum. A multiplied by A minus 2 minus B multiplied by B minus 2. So what to do? Just multiply. So A multiplied by A is A square minus 2 into multiplied by, that is 2A minus B square plus 2B. So what to do? Take this one and that one. A square minus B square minus 2A plus 2B. Just interchange the digits. Okay. So A square minus B square is A plus B multiplied by A minus B. Okay. Now 2 is common here. Minus 2. So here is B. So 2 A minus B. Minus is common. So in the bracket you will interchange the sign. If there is plus sign, nothing will be interchanged. Okay, the sign will be same. But in case of minus, you will interchange the sign in the bracket. So here is now. So here is now A plus B into A minus B, and there is also A minus B. So here is A minus B, here is A minus B. So A minus B is common. So A minus B is common. So what do you have to write? A plus B. So A plus B, and here is minus 2. So minus. Well, sum khatam. Now we will go to the 15th sum. Come to the 15th sum. 15th sum is so easy. 2x square, here is 2x to the power 4 minus 32. Okay, so 2 is common. Okay, so 2 is common. 2 is common here, so x to the power 4 minus 16. कंप्लीट तो नहीं हुआ, तो आप लोग को क्या लिखना चाहिए? एक तो सेकंड ब्रैकेट देना चाहिए. क्यों सेकंड ब्रैकेट किस लिए? ना x to the power 4 means x square square. Okay, square of x square, and it is 4 square. 16 is 4 square. So देखिए a square minus b square. So 2 a square minus b square, that is here is a is x square. So x square square minus 4 square. So a plus b, that is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. अब भी सम खत्म नहीं हुआ. क्यों? देखिए तो क्यों? क्योंकि ये है 2 x to the power x square plus 4, that is same, x square plus 4. Now here is x square minus 2 square, you can write 4 is 2 square. So again a square minus b square. So 2. Here is x square plus 4. Again x square minus 2 square is a square minus b square. So a plus b, that is x plus 2 into a minus b, x minus 2. इतना छोटा सा सम, लेकिन आंसर इतना लेंथी हो गया. क्या करें? ठीक है. So come to the last sum, that is 16th sum. इसे तो और मैं कराऊंगी नहीं, तो क्योंकि आप लोग का तो दुख मुझे समझना चाहिए कि इतना सारे सम किया है, आप लोग इतना छोटे छोटे बच्चे हो. मैं आप लोग को तकलीफ देना नहीं चाहती हूँ. सो इसके बाद जो है बहुत सारे सम्स है फैक्टराइजेशन में, नेक्स्ट क्लास में आप लोगों को सिखाऊंगी. ठीक है. अच्छा, आप तो ये अच्छी तरह से सीख जाइए. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2y प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab माइनस बी स्क्वायर. अरे बाप रे, इसको क्या कॉमन लिया जाए? लिया जाए. देखिए जनाब, क्या लेते हैं? एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2xy प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. ये इसको क्या बोलना चाहिए? दिस इज द फर्स्ट आइडेंटिटी ऑफ योर algebraic formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So what is a square minus 2ab plus b square? So a minus b whole square. So x minus y whole square. देखिए x square minus 2xy plus y square. So a square minus 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b plus b square. So a minus b whole square. Okay. Now you will take minus here. So in bracket, now you put the 3 digits in bracket. So you will write a square minus 2ab. No, not minus 2ab, plus 2ab. Why? Because minus sign is here. So you will interchange the sign in bracket. Plus b square. Understood? Minus a square, you wrote that is a square. Minus 2ab, you wrote plus 2ab. Minus b square, you wrote b square. For plus sign, you have nothing to be interchanged. Okay, no sign will be interchanged. But in case of minus, you will interchange the sign in the bracket. Okay. So x minus y whole square minus a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is a plus b whole square. Now it is a square minus it is b square. Understood the sum? X minus y whole square is a square minus a plus b whole square is b square. So a square minus b square. So what is the formula? A square minus b square equals to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So a plus b. A plus b. A plus b. Multiplied by a minus b. Multiplied by a minus b. So a minus b. Sorry. Minus b. So minus a minus b. Why minus b? Because a minus b means that is minus a plus b. So minus a minus b. Okay. अच्छी तरह से ध्यान रखिए, सिंपल कर दे, नहीं तो थोड़ा सिंबल अलग हो जाएगा तो सम गलत हो जाएगा. ठीक है. तो बार बार मैं कह रही हूँ साइन की तरफ ध्यान दीजिए, अदरवाइज सम्स आर वेरी इजी. देयर इज अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू minus a square minus b square. So a is here x minus y, a plus b, that is a plus b. ये जब प्लस था जैसे जैसे a प्लस b था ऐसे यहाँ में बैठ गया, लेकिन मैंने जब बोला a माइनस b तो a प्लस b को माइनस साइन में चेंज करना चाहिए, तो इसलिए माइनस है माइनस b. अंडरस्टूड द सम? तो चिल्ड्रन यही आपके लिए लास्ट सम था आज के क्लास के लिए, लेकिन फैक्टराइजेशन का अभी बहुत से सारे सम्स बाकी है, वो आप लोग को मैं नेक्स्ट डे में सिखाऊंगी, क्योंकि 16 सम सीख चुके हैं. आप लोगों के क्लास बोर्ड लग सकता है, मुझे नहीं. अच्छा चलिए, मुझे भी बोर्ड लग रहा है थोड़ा, ठीक है, आप लोग के लिए. तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं बाकी सारा सम सिखा दूंगी. अच्छी तरह से सीखिए. अगर कोई सम समझ में ना आए, प्लीज comment me through your comment box. Let me know what's the problem. So I will teach you in the next class. Okay. So please like my video. जाते जाते मुझे कहना चाहिए, share to your friends. Please comment me through your comment box and subscribe my channel through your pressing the bell icon. Okay. So मेरा वीडियो लाइक कीजिए, मैं आप लोगों को बाय हार्ट अच्छी तरह से मैं मैथ्स सिखा सकती हूँ. तो चलिए आज के लिए गुड नाइट. Come to the next class and we'll learn a lot in the next class. No, that will not be boring class. मैं इतना भी बुरी तरह से नहीं सिखाती हूँ आप लोगों को बोरिंग लगे ना. आप लोगों को जैसे हो मर्जी से मैम ऐसे सिखाइए, मुझे प्लीज बताइए, मैं आप लोगों को ऐसे ही सिखाऊंगी. ठीक है. ओके. आज के लिए बाय बाय. सो जॉइन टू द नेक्स्ट क्लास.